guys, I'm so happy today because today I want to share something super nice and interesting with you. So, every week we should have 1 day of detox at least. 1 day smoothies and you're gonna wash out all your body. Of course you need to combine different type of fruit and vegetables, rich of fibers, rich of vitamins, rich of protein, in the way you can feel strong and you can feel super healthy and detox. You know, sometimes it's hard, but if you focus on yourself, this is something that will let you feel super good. No more tired, always full of energy and full of healthy. So let's see these ingredients. So let's prepare the ingredient of our smoothie day. First thing first, we just need to peel our fruit, chop it and put it inside the blender. This is my 5th day. Tomorrow I'm gonna start my diet. You cannot imagine after 5 days of these smoothies how I feel so good, guys. And how shall Paolo say? We are what we eat. When I will finish my program of 62 days, first 5 days this detox smoothies diet, then other almost 2 months of diet. I'm gonna show you all my recipe. I want to share this diet with you guys. Of course, some good training, some sport, guys, it's also really important because help you to stress out, to relax. Now guys, we chop our kale and our baby spinach all together and we put inside the blender. And now we just need to add our lemon juice. 2 lemon juice, guys. We take a filter. Our lemon full of vitamin C. And last but not least, we add our 2 tablespoons of lean seeds. Half liter of water. Here we are. Look how beautiful already it is. Huh? Look. Now it's time to blend it. And here it is. Look, such an amazing color, guys. So this quantity is 1 liter. You can divide in 5 times, you can take 5 glasses every 3 hours and you complete your detox day smoothies. Of course, you need to drink that day also at least 3 liters of water. So guys, let's try my breakfast. Yes, super fresh and super delicious. No way. Do these smoothies and drink it all day. Breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, and you're gonna feel so detox and healthy, guys. Next time, next recipe here. Se vedremo. Bye bye!